Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start strategy trading on the Binance app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Binance app. Then if you didn't already, you should activate the pro version of the app because in the light version there are few features that you cannot access. For example, the strategy trading feature. Now when you activated your pro app, then you will see the strategy trading icon here in the top feature grid. Then just tap on it, the strategy trading, and here are the future grids and TVAP versions. And here, as you can see, you have three blocks: the create, running, and history. And to create a strategy trading, you will need to set up your neutral, long, or short trading. You can cross or 20x trade. Here you will need to type in the lower price, upper price, grids. You can set your initial margin from 0 to 100% and activate your strategy trading. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.